Bob's dustbin can be washed once you remove his filters. To remove Bob's dustbin, press down on the tab on the back of Bob and slide the dustbin out. Lift the tab to open the dustbin. Do not force the dustbin past its natural opening point. To remove the filters, lift the tray out by the tabs. Set the filters aside for later. Wash the dustbin with water. Allow the dustbin to fully dry before replacing the filters. Place the white high-efficiency filter down first with the yellow tab facing up. Place the black electrostatic filter down next. Lastly, place the filter tray on top. Press down on the frame to ensure that it's snugly secured in place.